What's going on, guys? Garrett here from Renegade Products, private label. Wanted to quickly go over one of the most important products, usually a staple product within any line, which is a pink soap. This one does not have any wax, but let me go over the label for you. I have three options as far as labels go for you guys. I have the cursive style, I have our OG style, or the third option would be we send you the die lines or the template, and then you guys redesign it yourself, and then send it back to me, or then I reprint it. But as far as our labels go, you can change any of the writing. So we don't change the overall layout, if you will, but you can change any of the writing, such as these bullet points here, if you want to use other kind of like sales, pitches, if you will, for these. You can also change the name if you want to do, instead of pink soap, you want to do, I don't know, mobile detailing pink soap, whatever. You can do that. Then obviously your logo would go in both of these spots, wherever you prefer. Then if we twist the label around, I want to give you guys a quick tour of the label. You got the descriptions and the directions on here. You can change, again, any of the writing here if you want, or you could just stick with it. Most people stick with it, to be honest. Then we have this info here, which this is for contact information. Obviously, we would put all of your company info there. That way, if people want to get a hold of you or want to place reorders, they know how to do that. Then if we twist all the way around, we're going to see the other part of the label, which is the warning and the safety stuff, which there's no way around that stuff, obviously. That's part of the normal regulations. And then this bottle also has the same things on it. As you can see, nothing different about that part of the label. It's just the front design, which is the one that matters. Pricing on this, so for the 60 bottles, which are our entry-level program, you're talking $6.50 per bottle, which for the 60 bottles, that comes out to $390, I believe, plus a little bit of shipping, depending on where you're at. So very affordable, $6.50 per bottle. So you can sell that roughly between $10 and $15, just depends on your product line and your market research. So yeah, that's pretty much it, guys. You see we've got some production going on today. You see over here, this is some of our brand new automated bottling machinery. These things do like a crazy amount of bottles per hour. We are doing a little bit of manual stuff, as you can see these ladies working on here. But yeah, if you guys have any questions, please reach out via phone number 714-646-3299, or Garrett at renegadeproductsusa.com, or our website www.carcareprivatelabel.com. Thanks, guys.